Manipur High Court linkhat ki bachahi tarani thoi subagining sing thauram ngasi Imphal da leiba High Court complex ta pangthokre tongan ba project kaya sanga ki baga loina na urep uyung kaya sutamkre loina na India lengang na state asima pungpha na tangdu leitaba amadi chawkhat pa porak na bahotnari haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na phongdokre Thauramada Governor na makataraduna Manipur High Court na chahi tarani thoi subagi thauram asida Supreme Court ki judge manga su saruk yaduna thauram asi pangthokpada Governor na nungai ba phongdokhi loina na state asigi miyam da mapungpha justice phanghan na bohna bada Manipur High Court na hek linkhat padagi hauna achoba thongdang lawduna lakli Makhatana su miyam da achumba justice phanghanna bohna bada Manipur High Court na chap chaba thongdang lawrakhigani haiba wafam phongdok pagaloina na High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice D Krishna Kumar na Manipur High Court chawkhatna bohna bada lawriba thongdang da thagat pa phongdokhi Thauramada Governor na District and Sessions Court Building Churachandpur gi urep uyung tamkhibaga loina na Chief Justice Secretariat cum Center for Research and Planning gi post creation gi announcement tokhi Thauramada saruk yakiba Supreme Court ki Judge B.R. Gavaina Judicial Officers Residential Quarters sanabu urep uyung tambaga loina na Chief Justice ke Banglo amadi Chief Justice ke Secretariat su sangakhi loina na Justice B.R. Gavaiga lakminaba Judge sing na su tongan ba project kaya sangabaga loina na urep uyung kaya tamkhi
The presence of such a distinguished gathering today, the Honorable Judges of Supreme Court of India, Honorable Law and Justice Minister, it's a clear reflection of the attention and care that entire nation has towards our beloved state. This gathering signifies that the people of Manipur are not alone. The Government of India, through its esteemed Judiciary and Ministry of Law and Justice, has shown the strong support to restore peace, progress and prosperity to this state. It's a clear message that we are all united in our commitment to ensuring the rule of law and justice in this state.
Thauramada saruk yakiba Minister of State for Law Arjun Ram Meghwal na Manipur da mapungphaba peace purang na bohna riba asi yengsin na bohna minasi haina phongdokhi Mahang na makataraduna Supreme Court ki Judge mangana Manipur da laktuna Churachandpur amasung Moirang da hangba relief camp te chatuna yengsin kiba asi yamna phaba khongthang amani haina nungai ba phongdokhi loina na Manipur da yamthu na mapungphaba peace poraktuna chakhatpa state ama oina bohaminasi amadi India na developed nation ama oibada Manipur su yaugani haibagi thazaba phongdokhi Thauramada da mahang na District and Sessions Court Complex Imphal East ke land allotment tawbagi amasung District and Session Court ki post creation tawbagi announcement tawki Thauramada Manipur High Court ki Justice Singh, Senior Advocate Singh, tongan pa Bar Association ki Thaupuba Singh, Legal Fraternity Singh, amadi marilena ba official Singh na Thauramada ki sarukamo oina cultural program ama supang thoki.